Friends of Salman Khan, Bollywood celebrities coming in for flack for seeming insensitive, for seeming to say the wrong things. One of the people who's being trolled heavily on social media is Farah Khan. She's joining us on this broadcast from Mumbai. And before I ask Farah my first question, I want to put out two of the tweets that she's put out on her Twitter handle this afternoon, which got a lot of criticism. The first one has her saying, "No one should be sleeping on the road or the footpath. It is dangerous to do so, just like it is dangerous to cross tracks." In the second post, she says, "It's like penalizing a train driver because someone decided to cross the tracks and got killed in the bargain." It's being said, Farah, that that's a tweet like Marie Antoinette, that you're like the French princess, the French queen who said, "Give them cake if they don't have bread."
Rahul, I think you missed out one tweet before that said the government should be responsible for housing people so that they don't sleep on the streets and get killed. Because the point I was trying to make here is, in all the hit and run cases that have happened, be it Alistair Pereira, be it Salman Khan, the people on the pavement who've been sleeping there have gone killed. And that is only because they had no place to stay. And I feel sad and sorry for these poor people because the government doesn't provide infrastructure to the homeless. And that's what's going to keep happening. It's not going to stop with the Salman Khan case or the Alistair Pereira case. And another thing I was trying to say here was, I was not defending Salman. I did say, yes, he is at fault because he was under the influence of alcohol when he was driving. But what I was trying to make a point here is, Alistair Pereira and Sanjeev Nanda in the BMW case killed a couple of people. Alistair Pereira killed 7 people. Sanjeev Nanda killed a couple more. They all got 4 years and 3 years respectively. Why is Salman Khan getting 5 years for killing 1 person and injuring 4? Shouldn't the law be the same whether you're a superstar or an ordinary citizen?
No, but Farah, when you say that no one should be sleeping on the road or the footpath, and you add that it's dangerous to do so, just like it's dangerous to cross tracks, it almost makes it seem as if you believe that people have an option, that those who are, so it's well to say that the government should be providing them with accommodation, but the people who are sleeping out on the roads are not doing so of their own volition. They're doing so because they have absolutely no other option. Farah,
I agree. Rahul, I completely agree with you. They're homeless, they don't have money. But tell me something, if these people continue sleeping on the roads, there are going to be more accidents, there are going to be more deaths. It's like when you cross a train track, you're going to get hit by a train. Whenever you put yourself in a dangerous situation, you're going to get hurt. Okay, whether you have an option or you don't, you're actually saying, okay, I don't mind if someone runs over me. So what the point I was trying to make here is the government needs
that's not what they're saying, Farah. It's not as if anybody's saying I'm okay if somebody runs over me. If there's a bit of empathy towards those who are sleeping out on the road, where do they go?
They're not saying that. They're not saying... Okay, then they continue sleeping on the roads, and then a couple of years later we'll be discussing another hit and run case, because that's what's going to keep happening. I mean, there are going to be more drunk drivers who will run over them, and again they're going to lose lives. Innocent people who don't need to lose lives are going to die. Is that what we want?
But what about the responsibility of Salman Khan and other drunk... No, but what about the responsibility of the celebrity to ensure that he's not drunk when he's driving? Why should he be drunk and driving in the first instance?
But he's at fault. Yes, he's at fault, Rahul. He's at fault. He's committed a crime. He has to pay for it. I'm not saying that he's not committed a crime. He's faultless. He has committed a crime. All I said was 5 years was a bit harsh in comparison to the other hit and run drivers. I wasn't trying to say, oh, he needs to get away, or the victims who died were responsible because they were sleeping on the road. That's not what I meant. So please,
you made that point. Fair enough, you made that point. But do you believe that all the humanitarian work that Salman Khan is doing now somehow makes up for, gives a reason for him to be treated leniently? That here's someone who's done a lot of humanitarian work of late, and that too should be considered while determining his punishment. Farah Khan.
I think that Salman Khan has never had a criminal record before this conviction. He's not been convicted for anything, okay? And keeping that in mind, the judgment should be like the others, the other ordinary citizens, like Alistair Pereira, who killed 7 people, okay, and ran over 15, but got 3 years. So I think Salman Khan should have been awarded 3 years versus 5 years.
Okay, and what's been the general reaction to your mind about Salman Khan getting bail as easily as he did? Now you've got Harish Salve on standby, you go to the High Court and within hours of getting this conviction you get bail. Is that not an example to your mind, Farah Khan, of celebrity status coming to Salman Khan's aid where he gets preferential treatment because of the fact that he's a superstar, Farah?
I guess, Rahul, they managed to get the bail. Firstly, I'm not a legal expert, but of what I've heard, they managed to get the bail because the copy of the judgment had not been delivered to his lawyers. So they needed the copy of the judgment. Maybe the court needs to hasten the procedure. If the court had hastened the procedure, maybe bail wouldn't have been granted so quickly and his lawyers wouldn't have asked for the judgment copy to come to them. Saying that, I strongly believe that judgment will take place. And he will be implicated, and he should be, because he has committed a crime. But again, please treat him like an ordinary citizen. Give him the 3 years crime. Why 5 years?
Okay, and finally tell me, how much of an impact do you think this will have on Bollywood? As somebody who tracks the film industry very closely, the biggest superstar of Bollywood, #1 in popularity across charts, now convicted for 5 years in prison. What kind of an impact does this have on Bollywood?
Well, it's going to be a big blow to the thousands of people who depend on him. Salman Khan is a very generous man. In fact, he's one of the most generous people in Bollywood. He looks after many, many families. He doesn't speak about the kind of people he looks after, or as many as he does. So it's going to be a great, huge impact for those people. And that's why I feel sorry for those people, because those people are homeless. Those people have no jobs. Those people are handicapped. And Salman goes out of his way to help those people. And that's exactly where my tweet for the homeless person on the street came. That why should they be allowed to sleep on the street? Because we need to give them better accommodation. If the government can provide housing for people to garner votes, why can't they put these people in proper housing accommodation so they don't die? Because it's not going to stop with Alistair Pereira or Salman Khan or Sanjeev Nanda. It's going to keep on and on and on, and more people will die.
Okay, joining us also now on the newsroom is Abhijit Bhattacharya, very well-known playback singer. He also, like Farah, is coming for a lot of criticism, and I want to put out what he said, which really attracted a storm of criticism. Abhijit tweeted in support of Salman Khan to say, कुत्ता रोड पे सोएगा, कुत्ते की मौत मरेगा, रोज गरीब के बाप की नहीं है. Now, Abhijit, this just reeks of the arrogance of a rich person. You know, you're saying kutta road pe soega almost makes it seem as if the person who died and those who were injured are being called dogs by you, and you're almost making it seem as if you believe that they deserve to die a dog's death. Is that not, Abhijit, very, very insensitive?
I wanted to say a human, they don't deserve to die a dog's death. That is the meaning. Why should any human should die like a dog? Twitter, there is a limitation in the Twitter. You cannot write everything. Then you should follow what I said next. Accident is an accident. It is not someone killed, Salman or anyone. They never kill a person who sleeps on the road. It is, they are as partner in this crime. They are they are part of this crime very much. There should be a law. If there is a law for the suicide, if suicide is a crime, the same thing, this is also a crime to sleep on the road. Don't say footpath. In India, there is no footpath. Every footpath is a part of the road. There is no high level or something.
पर अभिजीत देखो तो सही, आपने क्या कहा है? आपने नेक्स्ट ट्वीट में कहा है कि मुंबई के रोड और फुटपाथ पे सोने का शौक है क्या? Why not sleep at your village where there are no vehicles to kill you? Support being Salman Khan. Now मुंबई की फुटपाथ पे सोने का शौक किसको होता है, अभिजीत? It's not as if people want to sleep on the roads. किसको शौक है मुंबई की फुटपाथ पे सोने का?
राहुल, मैंने इस बात में अगर कुछ लिखा है तो मुझे कोई बोल रहा है कि मैं किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से बात कर रहा हूं जिनको ये वोट चाहिए, कोई बोलता है कि मैं सेम बात कर रहा हूं, किसी बाहर के लोग क्यों आ रहे हैं। लेकिन मैं इस चीज की बात करता हूं, अगर आप यहां पे आते हो, रहते हो, अगर आपके पास जगह फुटपाथ में ही सोने की है, जहां पे लॉरीज, बड़े बड़े व्हीकल रेडी है कि आपके ऊपर चढ़ेंगे ही चढ़ेंगे, तो आप अपने को इंसान से हटा के एक उस लेवल तक क्यों ले आते हो जहां पे हम लोग बचपन से सुनते आए हैं कि एक कुत्ते की मौत मरा, यही जिंदगी है।
ये बहुत इंसेंसिटिव नहीं है अभिजीत जो आप कह रहे हैं।
आपको देख रहे हैं कि आप
अमीर हैं अभिजीत, आपका घर है, आपके पास दीवारें हैं, जिनके पास नहीं है उनका आप इस तरीके से मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं।
राहुल, गरीब और बेगर का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप रोड पे या फुटपाथ पे सो। दैट इज अ डिफरेंट इशू।
कहां जाए, कहां सोए अगर उनके पास घर नहीं है तो?
जाता है रोड और फुटपाथ पे, तो खोलो पार्क खोल दो ना, गार्डन इतने खोल दो, प्लेग्राउंड पड़ा है, सीसीआई स्टेडियम पड़ा है, गरवारे स्टेडियम पड़ा, खोल दो। आपके पास, सरकार के पास गार्डन्स हैं। अगर आपको इतना शौक है हिल रोड में सोने का, व्हाई कांट यू स्लीप सी के ऊपर, इतना बड़ा चबूतरा बना, इतना रॉक है, वहां जाके सो। व्हाई ऑन द फुटपाथ, व्हाई ऑन द मेन रोड, व्हाई इन द मेन रोड?
बट
आप उसी के बगल में। अरे राहुल, मैं आपको बता दूं, मेरे वाइफ सुन रही है, उनको कभी मालूम ही नहीं कि मैं कौन सी जिंदगी मुंबई में जिया हूं। मैं इसीलिए मुझे गुस्सा आता है। मैं भी फुटपाथ पे रहने वाला था, लेकिन मैं कभी फुटपाथ पे सोया नहीं, इसीलिए कि किस दिन मेरे ऊपर एक गाड़ी चढ़ेगी और मेरे परिवार वाले बोलेंगे मेरा बेटा सिंगर बनने गया हुआ था और कुत्ते की मौत मरा। मैं खार स्टेशन में जाके सोता था, 2 बजे तक सोता था, 2:30 बजे तक लास्ट ट्रेन, तब तक सो जाता था। उसके बाद फिर से स्टेशन रेलवे शुरू हो जाती थी तो मैं वापस आ जाता था, 1 घंटे सोता था। तो मैंने तो अपने को फुटपाथ पे इसलिए नहीं रखा क्योंकि मेरे आंखों के सामने मेरी माँ, मेरे पिताजी, मेरे भाइयों का चेहरा आता था कि मैं इस तरह फुटपाथ पर सोऊंगा, मेरे ऊपर गाड़ी चलेगी और मैं इस मौत मरने आया हूं मुंबई में।
नहीं, क्योंकि आपका अगला ट्वीट अभिजीत ये कहता है कि ये दारू की गलती नहीं है।
इसके ऊपर लॉ बनाइए, हिपोक्रेटिक बात मत करो।
आपका ट्वीट कहता है कम आउट फ्रेटर्निटी, सपोर्ट सलमान खान बोल्डली, नॉट हिपोक्रिटिकली। Roads are not meant for sleeping. It's not the driver's fault. It's not alcohol's fault. This is what you say, Abhijit. सलमान खान दारू पी के गाड़ी चला रहे हैं,
बता दीजिए,
ओवर स्पीडिंग कर रहे हैं, उसकी गलती नहीं है। बेचारा जो फुटपाथ पे लेटा हुआ है, जो फुटपाथ पे सो रहा है, जिसके पास घर नहीं है, उसकी गलती है। दारू पी के गाड़ी चलाना, ओवर स्पीड करना, उसकी गलती नहीं है। अभिजीत,
एक्सीडेंट किसको बोलते हैं? दारू पी के एक्सीडेंट करता है, एक्सीडेंट किसे बोलते हैं? दारू के नशे में दारू पी के एक्सीडेंट होता है। एक्सीडेंट है एक्सीडेंट। कोई दारू इसलिए पी के गाड़ी नहीं चला रहा कि उसको 6 आदमियों को मारना है। मैं उस बिहाफ में, उस गरीब आदमी के बिहाफ में बात कर रहा हूं। मुझे उस पर गुस्सा है, मैं उस पर गुस्सा हूं। वो अगर जिंदा होता, हॉस्पिटल में होता, तो मैं उसको 2 थप्पड़ और मारता था कि तू फुटपाथ पे क्यों सोया।
गरीब आदमी को आप थप्पड़ मारते?
तेरे बीवी बच्चे नहीं है?
दारू पी के जो फराह वांट्स टू कम इन, फराह खान वांट्स टू कम इन।
देखो
सर, जो गरीब आदमी लेटा हुआ है, आप उसको थप्पड़ मारना चाहते हैं। आई कांट बिलीव व्हाट यू से। फराह वांट्स टू कम इन।
नहीं, गरीब आदमी क्यों रोड पे सोएगा नहीं जहां पे उसके मरने, वो सुसाइड करने सोया है? कोई आदमी सुसाइड करेगा तो आप उसको रोकोगे नहीं?
Farah wants to respond to what you're saying. Farah, go ahead, please.
This is suicide.
Abhijit,
this is suicide.
Abhijit,
this is suicide. This is a crime.
I want to say something.
Yes, Farah, go on.
Abhijit, it's not a crime to sleep on. It's not a crime to sleep on the road. It's unfortunate that poor people have no option but to sleep on the road, and so the government should be more responsible towards its citizens. But to say that Salman was not guilty of drinking and driving is completely wrong, because he was drinking, he was driving. The point I'm trying to make, and I understand what you're trying to say, but you are taking away from what you should be saying. The point I'm trying to say is, yes, he should be convicted, but to convict him for 5 years is wrong. He should be convicted like the other hit and run victims for 3 years, and the people who were sleeping on the road. And the people who were sleeping on the road had no option but to call them dogs, but to compare them with dogs.
कमाल की बात है, आप कह रहे हैं कि मुझे इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि वो दारू पी के गाड़ी चला रहा था, ओवर स्पीड कर रहा था। सबसे बड़ा क्राइम तो यही है कि आप दारू पी के गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, आप उसको ऑलमोस्ट जस्टिफाई कर रहे हैं।
I'm assuming you meant well, but the way you put it in is not correct.
अभिजीत,
But you can't compare. You can't
Listen,
compare
Hill
human
Road
beings
पे-
to dogs.
हिल रोड पे ह्यूमन हिल रोड पे सोना, इतना ट्रैफिक, इतना हेवी स्पीड में गाड़ी है, वहां पे सोना
okay.
और एक गली के अंदर सोने में बहुत फर्क है. इफ यू वांटेड टू
agree on
स्लीप
that,
सेफली, तो आप ऐसी जगह सो ना. रोड पे किसने मना किया? बट व्हाई ऑन द हिल रोड? व्हाई ऑन द टर्निंग? व्हाई अंडर अमेरिकन बेकरी?
अभिजीत, आप ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर गरीब आदमी
True,
मिलता
the
है उसको
road that
थप्पड़
they were
मार के
sleeping,
क्यों सो
Rahul?
रहा था? आपको नहीं लगता कि what you're saying is reeking of arrogance, reeking of the arrogance of the rich, अभिजीत? कि आप इस वक्त पे ये कह रहे हैं कि वो बेचारा सो रहा है वहां पे, आप गरीब आदमी पे गुस्सा हो रहे हैं जो दारू पी के गाड़ी चला रहा है, आपको उस पे गुस्सा नहीं आ रहा है अभिजीत?
सामने मुझे वो उससे कंसर्न ही नहीं. मैं बोल रहा हूं सामने से ट्रेन आ रही है, आप रोड क्रॉस कर रहे हो तो मैं उसको मारूंगा पकड़ के कि क्यों कर रहे हो इस ऐसी
अरे
जगह?
अगर ट्रेन
क्यों
का
तुम
ड्राइवर
लेते
दारू पी के
हो?
चेन चला रहा है, आपको
जहां
उसमें
पे
प्रॉब्लम
कोई
नहीं है
भी
सर?
I think
दारू पी के गाड़ी चला सकता है.
I think the point Abhijit is trying to say is that whether you're drunk driving or whether you're driving, if you lose control of the car, the chances and the probabilities of killing someone is much more if they're sleeping
Yeah, the
on
chances
the road.
of losing
And I think
control
that's
of the
what he's
car
trying
when
to
you're
say.
drunk and driving is much
Very
higher
much
than
that.
when you're driving
Very much
sober.
that.
No, I'm sorry, Abhijit. The chances
it
of
could
you
also be- it could-
smashing your car, having an accident is much higher when you're drunk. He's over speeding, and I see you're getting angry with the
Accident
poor
is
man who's sleeping out on the streets, Abhijit.
I am not encouraging any driver. I'm not encouraging drinking. I am really upset. I'm really angry with the poor man who has family, who has children. उसको ऐसी जगह सुसाइड करने की जरूरत क्या थी? आई एम टेलिंग दैट इज सुसाइड. आप उसको प्रूव कर दीजिए कि अभिजीत नहीं, यहाँ पे सोना सेफ है, यहाँ पे सोना सेफ है, गाड़ी नहीं चलेगी, यहाँ पे सोना सेफ है, तो देन इट्स ओके. उसको जोन डिक्लेयर कर दीजिए कि दिस इज सेफ स्लीपिंग जोन.
Rahul, the point Abhijit is, if you listen to Abhijit carefully, the point he's trying to make is just the final words. Whether it's the Salman Khan case, whether it's Sanjeev Nanda or Alistair Pereira, all the people who died were pavement dwellers. And this is not going to stop here. We need to stop people from sleeping on the road, and the government needs to give them some basic shelter so their lives are protected, because this will continue again and again, and some person will drink and drive and it will go on. Nobody is going to stop drinking and driving, okay? They will get punished, but we have to stop the people who are sleeping on the roads and give them proper basic accommodation. That's what I'm saying, because they're poor people. Their lives matter.
Okay, the both of you have said what you had to. But I just want to leave our viewers with this thought. What is easier to stop? Is it easier to stop people from drinking and driving? Or is it easier to stop poor people from sleeping on the roads? The millions of poor people who come to Mumbai, to Delhi, who have no roof over their head, which of the two is easier to stop? If all of us acted a little bit more responsibly, maybe there wouldn't be such incidents.
I will...
Farah, yes.
Yes, I agree, but Rahul, I agree with what you're saying, but there's been laws after laws about drunk driving. People still drive and they still get drunk and they kill people, okay? What I'm trying to say is we have to try and make the law more stringent, I agree, but also take away the people who are sleeping on the roads, give them proper accommodation. They are human beings. Treat them like human beings. Why should they be treated like somebody less mortal?
I said the same thing, Rahul. I said the same thing. They are human beings. Why should they die a dog's death? I'm saying the same thing.
This is where I leave it.
Whose fault it is?
Rich man,
why
poor
should
man,
they die a dog's death?
Different worlds, different perspectives. You've heard from Abhijit and from Farah Khan Ali. They clearly feel very passionately about what they're saying. Whether you agree with them or not.
It's not about a rich man or a poor man. As somebody who cares about society, as someone who cares about people, I don't want people to die, innocent people. I mean, there was a guy who lost his leg. He wasn't even interested whether Salman Khan went, Mohammed Kaleem, he wasn't interested in Salman Khan goes to jail. He wants money. He wants money to support his family.
This is where I leave it. I won't be judgmental. I won't take sides. I won't tell you what to think. You've heard from Abhijit, you've heard from Farah Khan Ali. They're defending what they've said. They're explaining the context in which they've said it. You decide whether you believe what they said was right or wrong. The both of you for joining us on the newsroom this evening. Thank you very much.